question on live session where I have put up the shorts also. Okay. So here in this question, it's given that the cost of papering the four walls of a room. Okay. So the cost of papering the four walls of a room is given that we need to calculate what? The cost of papering the four walls of a room at rupees 0.70, right? That is the paisa. At rupees 0.70, this is the cost. This is the cost of papering. Cost of papering. That means when the wallpaper is pasted on the walls, right? Cost of papering per meter square, right? This is given to you. The total cost is also given to you, that is rupees 157.50 is the total cost. So we can see this is the per unit cost per meter square. This is the rate, right? This is the rate and this is the total cost which is given to you. And the height of the room is given as 5 meters, 5 meter, and the length and breadth of the room need to be calculated if they are in the ratio 4 is to 1. So L is to B, that means the length and breadth are in the ratio 4 is to 1, right? So we need to find the length and breadth. L is what and B is what, where L is the length and B is the breadth, right? Now in this question, what we will do, let us see. Okay, you students, we know that if, have you seen the walls of a room? This is like this. This is a cuboid form. Okay, if this is the wall, right? Let me see. This is rectangle. Basically, I am just giving a slightly tilt view. Okay, this is length and this is breadth, and wall is just stand up like this, right? So when this portion of wall, when you are pasting the wallpaper on this portion, okay, on this portion, what is the dimension of this paper, this wall? One side its breadth and one side its height. So B into H will be here, right? Similarly, here is the length and it is up till height of H. So you can see here another rectangle is formed whose dimension is L into H. Just think about the wall only, the standing portion. Okay, then this will be L into H. So such faces are 2 times. That means if this L into H is on one side of the room, then another side here also it's L into H, right? And here if it's B into H, then here also it's B into H. Because you are sitting in a room and seeing the walls, the dimension of the wall which is in your left is same as it is in your right? Similarly, when you see into the front, this is same as it is when you are seeing into the downside. So what is the total area? Total area of four walls of room, what's that? Here you can see L into H. L into H is here and L into H is here. So 2 times L into H. So this left and right faces are covered, right? Now here B into H and here B into H, right? So this will be add up. So 2 times B into H will be covered. So what will be the total area? When 2 is taken common and H is also common into both the units, then you can say 2H is taken common and L plus B will be in the bracket. Now if L and B in the ratio 4 is to 1, so L and B are in the ratio 4 is to 1. So if L is 4x, then B will be x, right? Because L is to B into the ratio are in the ratio of 4 is to 1. This is given into the question. Here you can see, right? Now just putting up this into the total wall area, the area of 4 walls here. So the area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into H into L plus B, right? And what is the value of H? It's given that height is 5 meter. Now put the value of height as 5 meter I into L plus B, and the length is 4x and B is x, which we have assumed as per the ratio. So 4x plus x, that will be coming as 5x. So 2 into 5 10, 10 into 5 50. So 50x meter square is the area of 4 walls of that room. So that need to be captured, and on that area the wallpaper need to be pasted, right? This one. Now if this is the total area, then this area into rate, that means at the rate rupees 0.70. When this will be multiplied, you will be getting the total cost. What is the total cost? 157.50 is the total cost of wallpapering papering. So this will be equal to 157.50. Here to decimal, just replace it, because when you replace it, 100 will be coming into the denominator of the LHS, and here also the 100 will be coming and it will be cancelled out. Oh hi Charles Einstein. Yeah, so in place of area just put the value of 50x. So 50x will be there, and multiplied by 70, you are getting 15750, right? Now since x is a variable to you, keep it into the left hand side, right? Here you can also do one thing, just cancel 10 from LHS and RHS. So into the RHS you will be having 1575 by 7 into 50. This 50 and this 7 will be coming into the denominator. From 7 you can cut 1575. 7 to 14, 17, 7 to 14, 35, 7, 5, 35. So 225 by 50. So this will be coming as 225 by 50 is coming as 5 4 20 25 5 5 25 divided by 10. So it will be 4.5. So the value of x is calculated as 4.5, right? Hi. Yeah, let me know if you are having any doubts. So the value of x is 4.5. Now the length and breadth are in the ratio 4 is to 1, and we have assumed length has 4x and breadth has x, right? So we can say that the length will be equal to 4x, which in turn 4 into, put the value of x as 4.5. 4 into 4.5, this will give you 4 16, 4 by 20, 16 plus 20. This will give you 18 meter. So 18 meter is the length of the room, and for the breadth, it will be equal to x, right? It is simply x. That means 1x or 1 into 4.5. So the value of x is 4.5. So we can say that the breadth is 4.5 meter, right? So in this way we have solved this question, right students? I hope you got it. How to solve such questions? In this question, it's given that the wall area, the cost of papering the wall at rupees 0.70, the rate per unit cost of papering per meter square, this rate is given to you, and the total cost which you are bearing is rupees 157.50, and the height of the room is given as 5 meter, then, and also given that length and breadth are in the ratio 4 is to 1. What we did, we understood the formula that breadth and height will be coming two times and length and height will be coming two times. So in this way, the total area of four wall will be 2 into LH plus 2 into BH. So it will be coming as 2 times H into L plus B. And if L and B into the ratio of 4 is to 1, then L will be 4x and B will be x, right? So put up this value, you will be getting L plus B as 5x. So 4x plus x, 5x. And h, the value of h is 5 meter. You can see over here. So putting up the value, you get the area of the four walls as 50x meter square. This one, 50x, right? Now, this complete area will be multiplied by unit cost, that is rupees 0.70 per meter square. So 50x will be multiplied with rupees 0.70, this one. And the total cost, which is 157.50, this will be coming to you, right? After doing this simple calculation, we calculate the value of this variable x, which is coming as 4.5, and since length and breadth we are in the ratio 4x is to x, right? 4 is to 1. So that's why the length will be 4 into 4.5, which is equal to 18 meter, and breadth will be only x, so it will be only x, the value of x will be 4.5, so breadth will be 4.5 meter. So students, in this way we have solved this question, right? So thank you so much for watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.